In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and activate payment methods in your Shopify store. This is an essential step to ensure a smooth and flexible checkout experience for your customers. We'll go through the process step by step, covering everything from setting up Shopify payments to integrating additional and manual payment options. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, look for the Settings option and click on it. Then, make your way to Payments. This is the hub where you can manage all the payment methods that your store will accept. If Shopify Payments is available in your country and you're interested in using it, you can enable and configure it right away. To do this, within the Shopify Payments section, click on Manage. Here, you'll need to provide some necessary information. This typically includes your business details, bank account information, and identity verification. Make sure you fill in all these fields accurately to avoid any issues with transactions. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. Now, if you want to offer your customers more options besides the standard credit card payment gateway, you can absolutely do that. Remaining in the Payments section under Settings, you should see an area labeled Additional Payment Methods or Add Payment Methods. Here, you can search for and select additional payment providers that are available in your country. Popular options include PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and even local wallets, among others. Once you choose the provider you wish to add, click on Activate or Install. Keep in mind that you might need to input your credentials for these providers, so have them handy. Let's move on to adding manual payment methods for situations when payments aren't made online. Still in the Payments section, scroll down until you find Manual Payment Methods. Here, you have the option to choose from suggested methods like cash on delivery or bank deposit. Alternatively, you can create a custom manual payment method that suits your business needs. When setting this up, you'll want to fill in all the pertinent details and any instructions your customers need to follow. For example, if you're setting up a bank transfer, you'll need to provide your bank information clearly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, activate it. Remember, it's crucial to save all these changes to ensure everything is properly configured. Once saved, these newly added and activated payment methods will be available for your customers at checkout. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but also drives more sales by accommodating different payment preferences. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on adding and activating payment methods in your Shopify store. By following these steps, you'll make your store more accessible and customer-friendly. Don't hesitate to explore the diverse range of payment options Shopify has to offer.